ruthless, showing no pity or kindness. A ruthless boss fired workers without care. The ruthless boy pushed others to win the game. Nagging, always complaining or asking again and again. Mom keeps nagging me to do homework. She is nagging her brother to clean his shoes. Heinous, very bad and shocking. The criminal did a heinous crime. He was sent to jail for a heinous crime. Diligent, hard-working and careful. My friend is diligent in his studies. A diligent worker finishes tasks on time. Squabbling, fighting or arguing in a silly or noisy way. The kids are squabbling over a toy. Brothers keep squabbling about small things. Pantry, a small room or cupboard where food is kept. The cookies are in the pantry. Mom keeps rice in the pantry. Sheepish, feeling shy or embarrassed. The boy felt sheepish for being late. He gave a sheepish smile after his mistake. Pious, very religious. She is a pious woman who prays every day. He is pious and helps people in need. Inferior. Lower in quality, rank, or value. This phone is inferior to my old one. The inferior shoes broke after 1 week. Elite. The best, most skilled, or most powerful group. She is part of the elite team at school. He went to an elite university.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!